Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine if the trim command is enabled or disabled on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video, guys. So again, go ahead and copy that from the description of my video, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. So if the output says 0 here, that means that trim support is enabled on your SSD. If the output is set to 1, it means that trim is currently disabled on your computer. So that was pretty much the scope of this tutorial. Turning it on and off, that's a different topic, but I just wanted to make a quick tutorial of how to determine if trim is enabled on your SSD running the Windows operating system. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.